What's up, Overlanders? Okay, this video is a little bit of a twofer, but the main part of this is going to be me trying to make a rain fly. I'm not the best at sewing, as you guys saw. My mom helped me, well, pretty much did it, my tent. But I've got a new sewing machine. It's like this big, battery powered. We're going to put it to the test today. I'm going to try to make a rain fly, and then there's just a couple more pieces of Velcro and straps that we need to add to the tent. So let's get started. The first order of business here is the front of this never got finished. It's done fine for some of the camping trips that we've gone on, but when it starts getting cold, we need to make sure that this is a little bit better sealed and wrapped down around this. So that's what we're going to start with. I'm going to add a little bit of Velcro underneath, just like the rest of the tent. This is all just Velcroed on. Kind of patch up this corner here a little bit. So that's where we're going to start. Well, strap one is complete. I would not say that was easy. I'm actually using white thread and I just colored it black. But this is to wrap around down underneath, and I'm going to get the Velcro down there, glued and stapled to the wood, just like over here. But here's the real punch line. That's the sewing machine I'm working with. Turns out it's not very heavy duty. So I need to help it along quite a bit, but it really beats taking this whole thing off just to sew a few straps. So anyway, there it is. Let's do 3 more. Well, I'm starting to get the hang of this stupid thing. This stitch looks a lot better than the first one. I'm not sure if you can see it. But as kind of, I mean, you try to use a strong, if you get this little sewing machine, use a stronger thread. I've gone through quite a bit of thread just from it constantly breaking, and I've got the tension dialed. But anyway, one more strap to go. Got all 4 straps sewed on, and here you see I've already got the other side of the Velcro ready to go. Got a couple staples in. Now I'm just going to peel this back, and the part that stays down here, I'm going to get some Gorilla Glue on there as well as staple it, just like I did for all this other stuff. Just finished gluing and stapling the Velcro on the bottom, and now we can finally secure it. There we go. Now come around to the front, and this is finally secure. Now let's get started on the rain fly.